Today we'll be talking about preparation of our notebook and loading of our datasets using Jupyter. Type your Jupyter. Then it will load. Wait for some seconds. So this is the interface of the Jupyter Notebook. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go to where our data set is located. So our data set is located in desktop. Go to the desktop. Then it's located inside this folder, YouTube. So this is where our data set is located. So we'll be creating a new notebook. Then we then load our data sets inside. So we come here, we click on new, then we'll click on create Python tree. So this is a new tab that has been opened for us, that has opened for our projects flow. So we can rename our untitled page to be loading data sets. So then you click on rename. So this is the Jupyter interface. Then before we import our data set, we need to install our packages. We need to install our NumPy, and we also need to install our pandas. So I already have my install ready, but if you are just opening your Jupyter Notebook for the first time, you need to install those packages. So these are the process: pip install NumPy. Then you click on Shift Enter. Then you wait for some seconds. So you can see I already have it installed already. So we also need to install the other one, which is pandas. Pip install pandas. Then Shift Enter. Shift Enter. Then you wait for some seconds. So I already have these two packages installed in my system, in my Jupyter Notebook. So before we load our dataset, we need to import the NumPy and pandas. So let's import the NumPy and pandas. So import NumPy as np, then import pandas as pd. So these are the two packages that we need to import before we load our dataset in our Jupyter Notebook. So the import is a command in Python that is used to load a particular package of our Python programming language within the Jupyter Notebook. The PD is used to refer to a function or a method from a pandas package, same as our NP. Our NP refers to any function or method from a NumPy package. So these are the two important packages we need to install, we need to import before we load our dataset. So package. So the reason why we also import NumPy is because we use it to refer to any function or a method from a NumPy family, and it's very important to carry out numerical activities or tasks like your main like your main marks and summary of our data set. We're done with the writing of the code, so we need to enter our code now. Shift enter. So shift enter, then wait for some seconds. So once this part load, this number load, it means that our code is correct and there's no error. So now let's load our data set now. So data is equals to pd.read /csv, then open and close brackets, then quotation mark, then go to where our data set is, then copy the name of our data set. You can right click, then you do as if you want to rename it, Control All, you copy, then you close this, then you paste the name here, then you shift, then you enter. So this data is our local storage. It is a variable that holds this our customer data set. So these are equal sign, these are PD, this PD is our pandas package, while our read/csv is a method that is used to load our data set, while customer/data.csv is our data set. So we need to shift enter. Already shift enter, it means that this our code is accurate and there's no error. So now let us view our data set now. .add. Then you shift enter. You can see. So this is our data set, consists of customer ID, customer name, email, country, age, gender, and total purchases. So this is our data set. So this is the way to load our data set in pandas using Python. So you can see we need to import our NumPy. We also need to import our pandas. Then we need to install our NumPy. We need to install our pandas. Then here we need to import our two packages, which are very, very vital for us to carry out any activities using our NumPy, using our Jupyter Notebook. We need to import this NumPy and pandas. Then data.add, this is a function to load our data set to view what is in our customer data. So this is how to do it. So thank you so much for watching. So if you like what I've done today, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.